there's the hook form. Make sure it's nice and flat.
How long you been doing this?
Oh, since about 95 or 92 to 95, so a long time.
Okay. And what's your name?
Mark Widen.
Okay. What got you interested in doing this?
We saw references to blacksmithing in a homesteading book, and then I went to an antique tractor show in Esco.
Okay.
And saw them working in a shop there and started asking them lots of questions, and finally they said, here, take a hammer and make something. Then I was bit really good. So it took a number of years before I got comfortable with what I was doing, but I wanted to pursue it.
Right.
I wanted to make sure I got good at it.
Now, has this become your business, or is it still a hobby?
It's a part-time business.
Okay.
I did it full-time for a while, but just this area just isn't that strong
Right.
to support it full-time. Other blacksmiths around the country have reported, having really good customer bases, and it just hasn't materialized here.
Right.
But it's still a lot of fun, and I do get orders over the internet.
Okay.
And so I've shipped stuff to Illinois, Florida, California. Sent a lot of custom barbecue brands to California.
Okay. So either crime is getting really bad out there, or there's a lot of farmers.
Well,
or both.
For grilling.
Right.
Yeah, so they're they want to put their name on their steak before somebody steals it.
Oh, that's funny.
Let's see, I gotta think about which way I want to go with this. And I'll be going to the anvil next. See if I get a good grip on this. That went pretty well.